Hi, ladies. I want to go over our final 2 weeks together. I'm excited that we have less than 2 weeks left of our course together. But these are busy 2 weeks. We have a lot going on, so I want to go over a little bit of what's to come in our next 2 weeks and keep you guys on track to be finished our course on Thursday, August 8th. That's going to sneak up on some of us. So I want to go over our next few days together. This week, week 5, you have 2 discussion boards that you'll see and an article review. And the article needs to be submitted by the end of week 5. And your discussion boards, make sure that you are doing your very best to get that initial post up within the first half of this week, by Thursday. Then that'll give you adequate time to respond to your classmates or myself. For each post, you need to respond 2 times. In addition, you will see that I turned on everything that you need to do for week 6. Week 6 is a shortened week, so I want to give you, again, ample time to get everything finished that you need to do for week 6. Week 6, there are 3 discussion boards you will see, as well as your final compare and contrast paper. Remember that paper is kind of a culminating activity. You'll learn that word, the culminating activity or culminating project, this week when we talk about project-based learning, um, or PBL, or the project approach. We'll be talking about that this week. And then your culminating activity that you're doing for me is your final compare and contrast paper that you're doing for the end of week 6. That needs to be submitted by the 8th, that's Thursday at midnight. You need to have that to me by then. Um, if it isn't after that time, it will be marked late. That compare and contrast paper is your final, as I've already mentioned. Um, and you need to be sure that you are following the rubric in your syllabus when writing that paper. I use the rubric, I follow the rubric to grade your compare and contrast paper. That way there's no surprises for either of us. If you have any questions about these final 2 weeks, any work you've missed, anything you want to clarify or follow up with, if you are missing something or I'm concerned, you should have already received an email from me. If you didn't, keep doing what you're doing. Make sure you're posting on time. You can start working ahead into week 6 if you would like. You can do all your discussion boards and then begin to work on your papers. It's been a fun time together. We have 2 weeks to go, a little less than 2 weeks to go. Keep up the good work, and I look forward to seeing you online soon.